Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel Spices of Life. This is my cutest and naughty daughter, I would say. He's very naughty. He's very obedient, and this is one of her criteria, character. But she has, you don't know what passion she is holding. She is having a God gifted passion, painting, that is pencil sketches. So now she would be come up with the pencil sketches, whatever she has drawn till this time, she will be showing it to you. So I need blessings from you all so that she can grow with her passion, and um, she will be one of the best artists of Kolkata. I am thinking of it because if you see her drawing, nobody will. It's a God gifted thing. She has started drawing since childhood. She used to draw she used to go to a drawing class. There she used to draw, and she has started her drawing since her childhood. But the pencil sketches, time down the line, her sketching skills are coming up so beautifully. Nobody will imagine how she draws. Such a lovely drawing she does. So come up, let's see her drawing, okay? Now she will be going with her drawing and she will be explaining each and every drawing what she has drawn. So first drawing which she has started with, it's a singer. It's a Hollywood singer. His name is Justin Bieber. So this was the first drawing she has started with, okay? So it might look awkward to you, but this was her first drawing. It's my great thing that I can show it to you how she has started with her drawing. So see this one. This is Justin Bieber. She has tried a lot. We should encourage her. Okay. Now the next drawing she would be showing it to you. Now tell.
This is the next sketch which I have drawn, and this sketch I actually searched it for abstract sketches, and this came up first in the list, so I thought it'll be really beautiful, and this sketch looked really beautiful, so I just tried.
But see how it has come up. When I've seen the drawing first, I thought, my God, how can it be possible? I mean, such a beautiful drawing, you see. Being a mother, I'm telling this, but I don't have anything. I am speechless. I have to say this. Such a wonderful drawing she is doing. Pencil sketches. Now she will come up with the next drawing.
This is one of my favorite movie. I hope everybody can understand this face. It's from the movie It. If you guys want to watch, you can just search it as It movie. And yeah, this is the Joker, which is the main character in the movie. This is the I won't say ghost. It's like a serial killer who catches children and have it as their lunch or dinner. So yeah, I really love this character. So I thought like drawing it and sketching it. After I watched the movie, I was like, yeah, I have to do it right now. So I did it.
Okay. So next, coming up with another drawing. This one is also an abstract drawing, I hope. Sanjana? Yeah. This is also an abstract drawing. This is another singer. She loves this singer's song. His name is Shawn Mendes. She has tried a bit of it, of the face of Shawn Mendes. Okay.
My favorite thing.
Now see this drawing. It's such a wonderful this drawing. It shows the expression of life of a woman. Okay. This is a scared face or surprise face, you can say. Now turn it out. This is the unhappy face. The girl is crying. See the droplets, the water. This one is the happy face of a woman. This is the phases of life which I can understand. This is the phases of life of a woman she has depicted. Such a nice, you see. Now, see, she's coming up with the next drawing. the last drawing which she has drawn it. Just today she has completed this drawing. See this drawing. It's such a lovely, it's a tribal girl. It's a tribal girl. I hope I'm not mistaken that these drawings are very, very much attractive. It must go to the exhibitions. Okay, so it's my blessing to her. She must continue with this passion, and you too, everybody, please bless her so that she can continue with this passion, and she stays happy with this passion always. She will be. This is a very lovely thing. It's an expression of one's feeling which comes up with the drawing. Okay, so please bless her, stay with her, and thank you for seeing this video, seeing these paintings, and like, share and subscribe the channel. We are hoping, do comment on the channel. Okay, bye bye for now.